find the HCF of the following in short division method. Short division method. How to find using short division? 44, 88, 154. We have to take like this. All are even number. All these are divided by 2 in common table. 222 are, 244 are, 2 7s are 14 and 2 7s are 14. Again all these are divided by 11. Then 11. 11 2s are, 11 4s are, 11 7s are. 77. Then these all are different numbers. Now you don't take till here. In these two tables, these three numbers commonly divisible. So these two, product of these two is our HCF. Therefore 44, 88 and 154 HCF is equal to 2 into 11, that is 22. First we have to take all the three numbers. These three numbers in which common table they divides. All the three, not only 1 or 2 or 3. All the three numbers in which common table they divides. Once you check, all are even number, it divisible by 2. Then after that 22, 44, 77. These all are divisible by 11. Again you take 11. In these two tables, commonly these numbers are divisible by these 2 and 11. So then product of the both is our HCF. Then here 60, 80 and 100. Now here, so all are even numbers, then take 2. 2 30s are, 2 40s are and 2 50s are 100. Again 2. 2 15s are, 2 20s are, 2 25s are. And all are with 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. Here all are different numbers, then no need to take. Only these three product. Then 60, 80 and 100 HCF is 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 2 into 5. 2 is the 4, 4 5s are 20. 20s are HCF. Now these four numbers, first 408, 162, 216, 270. Then all are even numbers. First we take 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are. 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are. Then 2 5, 2 1s are 2, 60 at a time, 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. 135, 108, 81 and 54. In which common table they divides once you check. In 3 table they will divide. Then take 3 table. 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 3 8s are 24. 3 27s are 3 3s are 9, 3 6s are 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. 18, 27, 36 and 45. In which common table they divide once we check here. 18, 27, again it will divide in 3 table. 3 6s are, 3 9s are 27, 3 12s are, 3 15s are, 3 15s are. Again this all divided by 3. 3 2s are, 3 3s are, 3 4s are, 3 5s are. Here all are different numbers, we stop till here. So this product is our HCF of given number. 108, 162, 216 and 270 HCF is 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 54. 3 is the 9 is 27. 27 2s are 54. Now 120, 168, 216, 264. Now we divide. 2. 2 6 are 12, 60. 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8. 2 1 are 2 108. 2 1 are 2 3 are 2 2 are 130. 60, 84, 108, 132. Again we have to take 2 tables because all these are even numbers. 2 30s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 5s are, 2 4s are, 2 6s are, 2 6s are. Again all are even number, again we have to take 2. 2 15s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 7s are, 2 3s are, 2 3s are. Again all are divided by 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are, 3 9s are, 3 11s are. Now all are different numbers. Now you don't take. Till here the product is our HCF. 120, 168, 216, 264 HCF is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 is a 24. 24 is our HCF. So in short division, first we have to check in which common table all the given numbers are divisible. So we have to take the product of that numbers, that is our HCF of given numbers. Yes, now the next method, find the HCF by long division method. Long division method. So we have to find the HCF by using long division method. How? First we have to take smaller number divided by this larger number. 30 ones are 30 and minus 2 1. This remainder, first remainder with first divisor. 12 twos are 24. Then remainder is 6. 6 remainder with 6 second divisor, that is 12. 6 twos are 12. So in 6 case we get 0 as a remainder. So HCF of 30 and 42 is 6. Once again, first we have to take smaller number and bigger number in the middle. 30 ones are 30. And after subtracting these two, we get remainder 12. First remainder with first divisor. This remainder divides first divisor. 12 twos are 24. Again remainder 6. This remainder with second divisor. 6 twos are 12. Here we get remainder as 0. So this 6 is a HCF of 30 and 42. So 30 and 42 HCF is 6. In this way we have to find the HCF. Wherever we get remainder as 0, so that divisor is our HCF. That divisor is our HCF. Next, the smaller one divides the bigger one. 144. 84 ones are 84 minus 0. This 14. 14 minus 8, 60. 60. This is first remainder. First remainder with first divisor, that is 84. 60 ones are 60. Then minus 4 and 2. Second remainder with second divisor, 24, 60. 24 ones are 24. 24 twos are 48. 24 twos are 48. Then minus 2 and 12. Third remainder with third divisor, 12 with 24. 12 twos are 24. In 12 we will get 0. So when divisor is 12, then the remainder is 0. So HCF of 84 and 144 is 12. Therefore 84 and 144 HCF is equal to 12. Next, 42, 112. Smaller one we have to take first and bigger one, 112. 42 twos are 84. 84. Now, 12 minus 4, 8. Here, 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 28. Then, first remainder with first divisor. 28 divided by 40. 28 ones are 28. 12 minus 8, 4. Here 1. Second remainder with second divisor. 14 with 28. 14 twos are 28. Then if 14 as a divisor, then we get remainder as 0. So 42 and 112 remainder is HCF is 14. 42 and 112 HCF is 14. Now 120 and 168. First we take smaller number and after that 168. 120 ones are 120. 120 ones are 128, 4. 120. First remainder with first divisor, 48 with 120. 48 twos are 96. Here 4 left, here 11, 2, 24. And second divisor with second remainder, 24 and 48. 24 twos are 48. If we take 24 as a divisor, then we get remainder 0. So 120 and 168 remainder is HCF is 24. 120 and 168 HCF is equal to 24. 24. Now, after that, 430, 516, 870. 3 numbers are given. First, we have to take any 2 numbers. So first, any 2 numbers HCF we have to find, and that HCF with third number we have to find. Now, 430. 430 divided by 516. 430 ones are 430. 6. Here 11. 11 minus 3, 8. 86. 86. 86 divided by 430. 86 4s are 86 4s are 4 6 are 24. 4 8s are 32. 34. 4 6 are 24 2. 4 8s are 32. 344. Then 86 5s are 5 8s are 44. 5 6 are 33. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 3 40. Means 86 5s are 86. 86 5s are 430. Then 86 is the HCF of these two. These two HCF 430 and 516 HCF is 86. Now we have to find the HCF of 86 and 817. 86 now. 86 and 817 HCF. So we have to find HCF of these two now. 86 divided by 817. 86 nines are 86 nines are 9 6 are 54 5. 9 8s are 72. 72 77. 77. 86 nines are 774. Then minus 3 11. 11 minus 7 4. 43 divided by this 86. First remainder with first divisor. 43 twos are. Then here 43. It means 1 2 3. All this HCF is 43. All this HCF. Therefore 430, 516 and 817 HCF is equal to 43. In this way we have to find HCF. When 3 numbers are given, first we have to find starting 2 numbers HCF. So whatever HCF we will get, so with that number again we have to find the LCM of the third number. So then what is the HCF of that number once you check? So that is the HCF of all the 3 numbers. All the 3 numbers. Now more 2 questions. So F question is there. So that is for your home assignment. Only 1 question is your home assignment. Remaining questions, more 2 questions were there. Then how to find HCF when 3 and 4 numbers are given. When 3 numbers are given, how to find? We know again the 3 numbers are given. First we take 2 numbers. 291 divided by 582. 291 2s are 291 into 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 nines are 18. 2 4 1 5. 582. 2s are 580. So in 291 we get remainder 0. So this and this HCF is 291. It means 291 and 582. 580 HCF is 291. Again with this HCF, the third number we have to take. Now 291 and 776 HCF. Now 291 divided by 776. Now how to take 291 3s are 291 into 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27, 2, 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. 873. But here 776 is there. It means we have to take 2. 291 2s are 582. Here 4, 79. 9 and 6. 6 minus 5, 1. 194 into 291. 191, 194 ones are 194. Then if you take borrow from here, 11. 11 minus 4, 11 minus 4, 7. Then here 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. 97. 97 with 194. 97 2s are 97 2s are 7 2s are 14. 2 9s are 18, 19, 194. 97 2s are 194. Then we get remainder 0. Then 97. At final 97 is our HCF. Therefore 291, 582 and 776 HCF is 97. 97 is our HCF. This is a rough column. Now, the last question, 4 numbers are given. First you take any 2 numbers, these 2 numbers, and after that you take 2 numbers. And HCF these 2 numbers, again HCF these 2 numbers, again you take and find the HCF, final HCF. First these 2, 219 and then 219 into 3, 6 are 6 9 are 54, 5, 6 1 are 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 6 to 12, 13, 1 3, 1 4, 6 are 1 3, 1 4, 1 3, 1 4. Once again you check. 6 9 are 54, 5, 6 1 are 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 1, 6 to the 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 1 3, 1 4. Then here 11, 11 minus 4 is 6, 7. Then 1 minus 1 is 0, 7 only. 7 with 219. 7 2s are 7, 7, 31 into 7. 7 1 are 7, 7 3s are 21. 31 7s are 31, 7s are 270 and 2 left and 2 left. Then 7, 2 6s are 2 3s are 6 and 1 is left. 1 with 2, 1 2s are 2. Here 1 is the HCF. If 1 is the HCF means co-prime numbers. If least number here, least number will come, so then that is only the HCF. HCF. No need to do this. Why? Because these 2 are co-prime numbers. Only 1 as a common factor. 1 as a common factor. Therefore, 219 and 1321 HCF is equal to 1. If once this HCF is 1, no doubt other will also get 1 only. No need to do this again. No need to do this. What is the HCF? 219, 1321 HCF is 1. Here 731s are 270, not 77 are 731s are. We did here 731, 7 is 7, 7 is 21. 731 are 270. If you do minus, then 2. Again this remainder with this divisor. 7, 2 3s are 6. And here minus is 1. 1 with this divisor. 1 2s are 2. Then remainder is 0. At final 1 is the divisor which makes the remainder is 0. It means this is the HCF. If 2 number HCF is 1, it means co-prime numbers, no doubt other also. 1 is only our HCF. No need to do these big numbers. Now find the LCM and HCF. we have to find LCM and HCF. First 87 and 145. This we have to find using short division method. So 23, 29, 29 threes are, once you check 29 threes are, 29 into 3. 3 nines are 27, 3 twos are 6, 7, 8. 29 threes are, because so 87 is not divided by 3, 7, 11, 13, 17. So like this we have to check in prime numbers. In 29 is a prime number, 29 threes are, it will cancel, 87. And 29 fives are, once you check 29 fives are, 5 nines are 45, 4, 5 twos are 10, 4, 145. 29, this is 29 threes are, 29 fives are. These two are prime numbers. Now no need to do again. So these two numbers cancel in 29 common table. So HCF 87 and 145 HCF is 29. In 29 both will cancel, both will divide. So this is our HCF. Then 87 and 145 LCM. LCM, how to take LCM? We have to multiply 29 into 3 into 5. 29 3s are 87, 87 5s are 87 into 5. 5s are 35, 3, 5s are 40, 40. 435. This is our LCM, this is our HCF. HCF means in which common table both the numbers will cancel, that is our HCF. LCM means, so whatever the factors we got, that we have to multiply all. Then we get, that is LCM. That is our LCM. Now, second, 161 and 207. 161 and 207. These two cancel. In which common table they will cancel? 23 to 7. In cancelling 7. 7 3s are 21, 2, 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 161. 23 7s are 161. Here take 23. 23 7s are 161. Then this 207. 23. 9s are 9 3s are 27, 2. 9 2s are 18, 19, 20. 207. This is 9s are. Then 23 7s are 161, 23 9s are 207. Therefore 161 and 207 HCF. In which common table they divide? 23. So HCF is 23. Then 161 and 207 LCM. LCM means we have to multiply all. 23 into 7 into 9. 23 7s are 161, 161 with 9. 161 into 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 6 are 54, 5, 9 are 9, 10. 149. 1449. This is our LCM. This is our LCM. Okay. So in this way we have to find LCM and HCF. Now 217 and 415 LCM and HCF. 270, 450. These two are even numbers. Then we can take two tables. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Again they cancel in 5 table. 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. In 3 table. 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3 5s are 10. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. So these two are different number. Now we stop till here. Now 270 and 450 LCM. In which common tables? Not LCM. First HCF you take. First you take HCF. In which common table they cancel? This. Till here. Till here we have to multiply. From 2, 5, 3, 3. Till here we have to multiply the numbers. 2 into 5 into 3 into 3. 2 5 are 10, 10 3 are 30, 33 are 90. Then HCF 270 and 450 HCF. LCM, not HCF, HCF is over. LCM means we have to multiply all the numbers. These are 2 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 5 are 10, 10 3 are 30, 30 are 90, 90. 93 is 270, 275 is 5, 5 is 35, 3, 5 is 10, 30. 1350. 1350. This is our LCM. LCM HCF. Now, one more question for our LCM and HCF. These here 3 numbers are given. So either 3 numbers, 2 numbers, whatever it is. So we have to do the same pattern. So no change, nothing. Then take 3 numbers, 108, 144 and 60. First these 3 are cancelled 12 table. So already we did this. 12 9s are 108, 12 12s are 114, 114. 12 5s are 60. 12 5s are 60. Again these 2 numbers. First, so these 3 cancel in 2 table, 12 table. So LCM, first we take HCF. 108, 144 and 60. HCF is 12. Now for LCM again we have to take these 2 cancel in 3 table. Again you take one more time 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. 3 5 as it is. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12 and this 5 as it is. Now LCM means we have to add all this. For HCF all the 3 should cancel. For LCM if any 2 will cancel also we have to take. 108, 144 and 60 LCM is equal to 12 into 3 into 3 into 4 into 5. 12 into 3 into 3 into 4 into 5. 12 3s are 36, 36, 36 3s are 36 with 3. 36 into 3. 3 6 are 18, 3s are 9, 10 and 36 3s are. And for further 20, multiply with 20. 2 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2 and this 0. 2 1 6 0. 2 1 6 0. This is our LCM. This is our LCM. Now word problems. So see here, in word problems first we have to read the question, then understand the question, then afterwards what he has given, then procedure we have to do. HCF of 2 numbers 144 and their LCM 2880. One of the number is given 720, find the other number. Find the other number. What is given first? HCF is given. What is the HCF? 144. Then after that LCM is given. What is LCM? One of the number. One of the number means first number is given. First number is 720. 720. What is the second number? What is the second number is what? So for this we have formula. So we discuss this formula. Facts. In the facts, LCM and GCD facts, we discuss about this formula. Second number is equal to LCM into HCF by first number. What is LCM? LCM is 2880 into HCF 144 divided by 720. Then 12 12s are 144. 12 6 are 72. This 0 cancel. 6 1s are 6 2s are cancel. 288 into multiply with 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17. 5 76. This is our second number. Second, this is our second number. So our formula LCM into HCF by first number. LCM apply LCM and HCF by second number. These two cancel in 12 table. 12 12 is 144. 12 6 is 72 and this 0. 0 0 will get cancelled. 6 1 6 2. 288 into 2. 288 into 2. 276. 276. In third question, 3 pieces of timber 49 meters, 42 meters and 63 meters long have been divided into planks of the same length. Same length. What is the greatest possible? Here greatest possible he is asking. First we have to find the GCD. Whenever greatest is asking, we have to find GCD of these 3 numbers. Then first GCD of 42 meters, 49 meters, 63 meters. How to find? Use short division method. 42, 49, 63. These 3 cancel in 7 table. 7 6 is 42, 7 7 is 49, 7 9 is 63. So, and after that, these 3 numbers is not cancelled in same table. Only these 3 numbers cancel in 7 table. Only 7, not other than that. So this is the common table in which these 3 will get. So that is why the GCD of these 2. Therefore, have to write. Therefore, the greatest possible length of each plank is equal to this 7, common one. This is 7 meters. 7 meters. If equally divided this, so the equally 7 meters, we can make equally. So now nothing is left after dividing 7, 7, 7. Find the greatest number which divides 146 and 108 and leaves remainder 6. First we have to find greatest number, means GCD we have to find. After finding GCD, here remainder is given. Whatever remainder is given, so that remainder we have to add for GCD. First you find GCD of 146 and 108. 108 divided by 146. 108 ones are 108. Then here 8 and 38. When this 38 with this 108. 38 3s are, once you check. 3 8s are 24, 2. 3s are 9, 10, 11. 140. No. 38 2s are. Take 38 2s are. 2 8s are 16, 2 6, 7, 76. 2s are 76, 8. 18 minus 6. 18 minus 6 is how much? 8 minus 6 is 2. And here 10. 10 minus 7 is 3, 32. 32 divided by 38. 32 ones are 32. Then answer is 6. 6 with 32. 6 4s are 28. 6 4s are 28. Then again remainder 4. 4 divided by 6. 4 ones are 4. And this 2. 2 with again 4. 2 2s are 4. Once again listen. These 2 numbers we have to take. 146 and 108. 108 is smaller, 146 is bigger. 108 ones are 108. Then minus them. Then 38 we will get. 38 with this. First remainder with first divisor. 38 2s are 76. And minus. This is remainder. Second remainder with second divisor. That is 38. 32 ones are 32. Again remainder. Third remainder with third divisor. Then 6 4s are 28. Remainder 4. Fourth remainder with fourth divisor. 4 ones are 4. Remainder 2. Fifth remainder with fifth divisor. 2 2s are 4. Till 0 we have to do. Now, then greater number is greater number which divides 146 and 108. Leaves remainder. Leaves remainder 6 is 2 plus 6. This HCF plus 6. 2 plus 6, 8. 2 plus 6, 8. This is your answer. Now here, the product of two numbers is 120. HCF is given. What is the LCM? Here what is given first? Given product of two numbers. Product of two numbers given. That is 120. And HCF is given. HCF is 6. What is the LCM? LCM we have to find. In the LCM fact, HCF fact, we have a formula. LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Product of two numbers by HCF. What is the product of two numbers? 120. By what is the HCF? 6. 6 1s are 6 2s are 12, 20. That is 20. LCM is 20. LCM is 20. Now, the sixth question, find the least length. Least length means we have to find LCM. We have to find LCM. What? Pieces 36, 48, 96 is given. 36, 48, 96. Now you find the LCM by using short division. 2 table. 2 18s are, 2 24s are, 2 48s are. Again 2 table. 2 9s are, 2 12s are, 2 24s are. 3 3s are, 3 4s are, 3 12s are. Again with 3 table. 3 1s are, 4 as it is, 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. Next 4 table. 4 1s are. Now least length of the rope. Least length of the rope. Least length of the rope which can be cut. Which can be cut into whole number of pieces. Into a number of pieces. 36, 48 and 96 is equal to. Multiply this. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 4. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 4. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12, 12 3s are. 12 3s are 36, 36 4s are. 4 6 are 24, 4 to the 12, 144. 144. This is your answer.